What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Moon Knight from Marvel Rivals. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page. We're going to start with a point, and then from here we're going to draw a curve going across the bottom edge of the hood towards the left. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Now I want to tuck the eyes in underneath the hood, starting on the left side, bend this down and in towards the bottom, and just line that up on the right. And curve the eye, coming down and then in towards the middle. Now going back up to the top and draw a straight line, angling down and in towards the jaw. And I'll curve the jaw, coming down and in towards the middle, leaving a gap in the center. Close off the bottom with a straight line. Now from the bottom corners of the chin, draw two straight angle lines going up and then in. Let's connect these 2 points with a straight line coming down. Now I want to add that trim around the mask. Let's start underneath the eye. I'm going to start with a curve going out and then up towards the side. Do the same thing on the right. And from the end, draw a short line coming down. Angle this down and in. Come down, slope towards the inside, angle this down and out towards the jaw. Let's add that little detail across the jaw, angle this down and in, come down and out. Now I'm going to add those points across the inside. Let's start on the left side, angle this up and out, line this up on the right. Just flatten off the inside and then pull that up and out towards a point. I'm going to fill those two areas in black. Let's add another one below. Start with that straight line along the inside. Go up and out. Slope this down towards the bottom. And I'll fill those in black. Now we're going to go back up to the top corners of the head. We're just going to curve the hood, going down, and then out. Let's bend this down and then in towards the middle, just underneath the chin. Underneath the jaw, let's curve this down and then in towards the bottom. Now from that center point, we're going to draw a straight line going all the way up towards the top of the head. Right about there. And we curve the top of the head. Let's start with the left side, then it's out and then down. Go back up to the top, go out and down towards the right. Let's round up the side of the head, come down. Now I just want to bend this back out towards the bottom edge. Now we're just going to taper this back in. Just going to round this out. Down and then in towards the middle. Now I'm going to add that detail across the hood. Let's start from the middle, bend this out, then up, and we'll line that up on the right side, going up towards the same height. Go straight across, bend this out and then up. Now from the top of this line, we're going to step down, draw another short line going out, curve this down, and then in, and then angle this down and in towards that inside line. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We'll start on the left side underneath the head, bend this out and down towards the hip, do the same thing on the right. Now from the hips, we're going to move to the center and draw in a circle. Let's trace that circle inside. And we'll draw a smaller circle all the way over towards the right. Let's go back to the hips. Bend the belt, coming down in towards the bottom side. Go up and draw that again. And I'm just going to add 2 lines across the belt. Now we're going to go to the center of the body, just underneath the chin, draw a circle. Then over on the right side, draw a smaller circle to create that moon. on the bottom, curve this down and then up on either side. Then underneath that curve, bend this in and then down to create a trim. From the bottom of the buckle, we're going to step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg, going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now you want to round out the bottom of the feet. So let's start from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and up towards the outside. And then we're going to round out the foot. We're going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel like a half circle, and looks back up and in. Now we're going to go all the way back up towards the hip, draw the outside of the leg. Bend this out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom. We're going to take this curve, step up, and trace that across towards the heel, and from heel to toe. Let's go back up to the hips. We're going to add a trim, angle this down and in, bend this out and then down, curve this down and in towards the inside of the leg. Now on the outside of the leg, we're going to draw an oval, all the way around. And then from the inside of the oval, add a trim coming in. Now let's go all the way back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway between the chin and the bottom of the belt. So right here, we're going to bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrists. From the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb. Now on the end of the thumb, we're going to step up, add a long bracket coming down. Let's go to the inside of the thumb, curve this around and then out. I'm just going to taper this back in behind that bracket. On the outside, we're going to wrap 3 fingers going around, starting up here, coming down and up around that bracket. Step down, go out and then up. Now the third finger, we're just going to bring this out and then up to right about there. I'm just going to bend this in and then down towards the top of the arm on the inside. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Start with that first finger. Now you want to take this point and flip it over towards the back of the hand. Let's start with the inside, coming around and down. Taper that back in towards the outside. Now we're going to go back up to the top point of the arm, angle this up and out, and then bend this up and then in underneath the head. Let's separate the wrist, starting from the thumb, then it's up and then out. Now on the inside of the shoulder, we're going to draw a circle. Now add a small circle inside. Let's go halfway across the inside of the arm. Add another trim in the middle. And then the bottom half, we're going to split this in half with a straight angle line coming down towards the wrist. Let's add a strap on the inside. From this line, step down, follow that same curve. From the bottom, step up, and do that again. Now I want to separate the top of each finger with a curve. Now once we complete the body, let's layer the cape in behind. We'll start underneath that index finger, bend this down and then out towards the bottom. Let's close out the bottom with a curve going in behind the legs. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Moon Knight from Marvel Rivals. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.